Please. I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
What is going on, my lovely friends? Candace B here, and I'm back with another video after what feels to be a very long time. I am sorry. I don't really have an excuse for my absence other than the fact that my camera was being fixed, so that took about 6 days. The other days I really can't give you an excuse for, but you know, just life, just life. That is my reason. But I am back, and today I thought to do just a little kind of like live market analysis trading video, whatever. I was just like, I don't know, I feel like I haven't done these in a very, very long time. And right now it is currently, what time is it? 12:37 p.m. in the morning. So, we're pre-London session. This is the time when I really start to analyze the charts and get ready to, find a setup and enter the market pretty much. So yeah, Monday, obviously I did not trade. And so this would be the first trading day of the week for me. And I, to be honest, took a break from the charts a bit as well. Just didn't really feel a desire to trade. I don't know. Maybe it's just stuff going on in my personal life. And I feel like it's wiser for me just to not trade when I feel like I'm not 100% there mentally. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much my explanation. I hope you are all doing great. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, if you're already subscribed, you already know what I always say. I am just grateful for all of you. Grateful. So yeah, the vibe is set. We have my little LED lights. This is literally how I trade, dark with some backlights. I got my water here. I've been drinking my water all day. I'm very proud of myself, and I'm already ready for bed. Honestly, let me just be 100%. I have gotten ready for bed already, and now we're on the charts. So yeah, let's just do a top-down analysis. Why don't we? Why don't we just do that? A cheeky top-down analysis. As you can see, guys, I have a 50 EMA on the chart right now, and I don't know. I don't see anything wrong with that. I find that the 50 EMA actually is pretty beneficial. It's not something that kind of like hurts my trading, I don't think, but it's a pretty good confluence, just to have. But I don't pay too much attention to it. My charts are still very clean in my opinion. So yeah. But yeah, let's look at the monthly. Oh man. Well, we're almost done March, believe it or not. We are very close. It's the 22nd technically. And yeah, so we only got a few days left. But we see that the monthly candle is super bullish. Like it filled that bottom wick of the previous candle, the previous monthly candle, and it pushed even further down, kind of filled this space, and then it instantly rejected to the upside. So this month there has definitely been quite a bit of activity. Really wondering if we're going to break this level before the end of the month. I feel like there is pretty much a high chance, and if that happens, then that'll be interesting to see. So let's go down to the weekly. Oh, and by the way, I have my retainer in, so if I'm like slurring words, my bad. It's literally just my retainer. But yeah, this is the weekly, and we see very strong candles. So obviously I haven't done a weekly analysis in a long time, but we see that GJ has just been very bearish since the beginning of March. And we can see that the 50 EMA, it's respecting that level very nicely. That's why I like the EMA, especially the 50 EMA. It's just because it's like a nice dynamic, support or resistance level. I don't use trend lines, so this kind of just takes the place of that vaguely. But yeah, we definitely see that this weekly candle already, even though we just kind of started the week. So from Sunday night, we've already filled this gap here. We've already filled this space here. Price did get a chance to push down as well to kind of gather liquidity, and then it pushed right on up. So I feel like GJ is in a pretty good position right now to break to the upside. It pretty much recovered. This was all just, news in Europe, war, stuff like that. A lot of fundamentals, and it looks like we are recovering nicely. So it kind of goes to show that things are definitely calculated, like fundamental stuff is calculated into the market beforehand, before you and I as retail traders pretty much know, because look how nicely price has been pushing up. Like, you know, it didn't do some crazy drop and, you know, break all these levels. It really just kind of came down and created essentially a higher low and pushed back up. So, and mind you, this is on the weekly, but yeah, so, you know, structure seems to be pretty decent, I would say. Yeah, can't really be mad at it. Let's go down to the daily though and see. Yeah, so this would have been the start of the week right here, the 21st. Well, yeah, the 21st, and then it's the 22nd, and price has already been really pushing up. What the heck has been happening here? Well, obviously, because 5 p.m. is when the new candlestick started forming. But yeah, I just really want to see what's happening right now. I don't have a bias just yet. I really just want to see how price reacts to this level. If by London session or closer to London session, I see a break, a nice clean break on probably the 4 hour. I'm just going to go down to the 4 hour. If I see a nice clean break, I'll just simply wait for price to come back down to this level and retest it, and then I'll probably look for long positions. I'll obviously keep you guys updated on that, but right now I just want to see what happens. I don't necessarily want to take a sell. Oh, why did it do that? Sorry, y'all. I'm very not savvy when it comes to trading view. I really need to increase my skills when it comes to trading view. But anyways, yeah, I don't feel like I want to take a sell, to be honest. Even if price rejects this level, it really depends, because I don't know. I've seen this move so many times on GJ. I've been burned badly by this move before, where it's like, I think that, you know, this level is going to be sustained, this supply level, and then I take a sell, and then price just shoots right on up, and then, you know, I don't accept the risk and stuff like that. Like, it's definitely happened multiple times before. So I feel like because GJ has a tendency to, you know, break these levels, especially when they have strong momentum, when it has strong momentum like this, like, I just want to see if it actually does it, if it actually breaks. See the H1, man, yeah, it's just clean, higher low, higher high structure. There's no denying this. Like, there have been so many opportunities to get into trades, like, you know, all the way up here. As long as you were in a buy, you're essentially making profits. If obviously your stop loss is set in an area where, like, it gives price some breathing room. But yeah, so I just want to see if we're just going to continue that bullish momentum. So yeah, it's 12:44 right now. I will check back in with you guys to let you know if I've taken a trade or not, and then we'll kind of go from there. And in the meantime, I'm finna watch Top Boy on Netflix. I already know, but comment down below if you guys have been watching Top Boy this last season. I haven't started it yet, so I'm about to do that. I'm excited. See you guys in a bit. All right, so it's now 2:59 in the morning, and I'm about to head to bed because I'm tired. But as you can see, I did enter a trade. I entered the trade around 2:07 in the morning, and pretty much I see what I needed to see. I see that price came up, pulled back, and now it's pushing up. So hopefully we continue to the upside. I have my stop loss and my take profit set at a 1 to 2 risk reward. Why does this keep happening? At a 1 to 2 risk reward, so we'll see what happens, but I'll pretty much just update you guys in the morning because, like I said, mans have to go to bed, okay? It's very important, but yeah, I think everything's looking pretty clean. We see that we are breaking this zone pretty strongly, so we'll see what happens. I like this candlestick. I like how this 4-hour candlestick closed. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so it is now 12:21 in the afternoon on Tuesday, and as you can see, GBPJPY just skyrocketed. I knew it was gonna do this. Well, we never know what's gonna happen in the markets, but I had such a strong feeling that this was gonna happen because I've seen it happen so many times. And as you can see, our little trade here The take profit was hit about 2 hours after I entered. So this was a very clean trade. There was not much drawdown and it just really shot up really beautifully. Higher lows, higher highs, you know, EMA on the lower time frames just being respected. And as you go to the higher time frames, we just see a lot of confluence, a lot of strong movement to the upside. So yeah, it was a very straightforward trade. I love these type of moves. It's funny because like I'm starting to back test indices like US 30 and stuff, and it's a lot more about supply and demand and stuff. So I probably would have looked to short like US 30 or the NASDAQ in this case. But because with GJ, once it's in momentum, it's really in momentum. I mean, that could be the same for indexes, but from what I know about GJ, like once it's ready, it'll just skyrocket to the upside. So definitely bulls are very much involved right now. And this was a very much type of like, you know, set it and forget it type of trade where you just set up your take profit, set up your stop loss, and then I went to bed. So that was my trade for Tuesday. Now I'm gonna go, you know, do stuff with my day. And as you can see, my glasses are slightly crooked. I'm going to go to my eye doctor and get these fixed. And so yeah, I really want to start making more of these type of videos where I'm kind of like live trading. I would love to get like a webcam and actually live trade. I need to figure that out because my Mac Mini doesn't have a camera or whatever. But yeah, I think that these are really, really helpful for me and hopefully for you as well. I just know that sometimes I'm not in the mood to just pull out my camera when I'm just wanting to trade and be in that zone, especially when it's super late at night. So whenever I can, whenever I feel up for it, I will definitely do these kind of live-ish videos for you guys. But I appreciate you guys for stopping by today to watch this video. I apologize for being MIA, but I am back. Don't even worry about it, sweetheart. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know by smashing that like button. I really, really appreciate it. And also comment down below, has your trading week started? How has it been so far? I hope you guys are all doing well this trading week. It's almost the end of March. Well, we pretty much are at the end of March, so let's end it with a bang. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, always feel free to check out any of my other videos on this channel and my other channel, Candace B TV, where I vlog. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, I hope you have an amazing, beautiful day, week, and life. Bye.